In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Euro account in Wise. If you already use Wise to hold and move money across different currencies, creating a Euro balance is quick, clear, and takes just a moment. I'll walk you through each click, explain what you'll see on screen, and share a few tips so you feel confident the first time you do it. Start by signing in and heading to your Wise dashboard. This is the main page where your balances and recent activity appear. Look for the New button, which is the shortcut for adding something fresh to your account. Give that a click to begin. From the options that appear, choose Add a Currency. This tells Wise that you're not creating a brand new account from scratch, but simply adding another currency to your existing multi-currency setup. A search bar will appear. Type EUR or just start typing Euro and select EUR from the list. Then hit Continue to confirm. That's it. Your Euro balance is now created and will show up alongside your other currencies on the dashboard. Next, open your new Euro balance by clicking on it. Here, you'll see two straightforward ways to put money into it. The first is Add, which lets you deposit money directly in euros. Depending on your region and the Wise app version you're using, you'll see the available deposit methods on screen. The second option is Convert, which allows you to take funds you already hold in another currency, like dollars or pounds, and exchange them into euros right inside Wise. A few tips as you choose between Add and Convert. If you already have money in another Wise balance, Convert is often the simplest path. You'll see the real-time exchange rate and any fees before you confirm, so take a second to review the quote and make sure it looks right. If you're adding money directly in euros, check the deposit limits and processing times shown on screen, and make sure the name on any funding method matches your Wise account to avoid delays. Once the euros land in your balance, you'll see the updated total right away. From there, you can hold euros, move them to other Wise balances, or use them for euro-denominated payments. And because you've created a dedicated Euro balance, future deposits or conversions into EUR will be just a couple of clicks. That's all there is to it. Click New, choose Add a Currency, select EUR, and then use Add or Convert to fund it. Simple, fast, and ready whenever you need to manage money in euros.